Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest, Mr. Manish, who is going to attempt IELTS speaking for the first time. He is very nervous, but he will try to answer because he has to face this challenge. Okay, Mr. Manish, so what is your full name?
My name is Manish Kumar.
Okay, Manish, so what do you do? Do you work or are you a student?
I am student in Indian University.
What did you study in GNA University?
I pursue my course Hotel Management
Why you choose hotel management?
because this course in my interest too much.
Okay. What are you planning to do after completing your course?
My planning is after I completed my course, I open my restaurant near my home because I have one shop. That's why I choose this course.
Okay. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in house.
Can you describe your house?
Yeah, my house not big, not short is good for me.
Very good.
And in my home is 5 rooms and one living room.
What is the best thing about your house?
Mm, Best things I think
You can say my own room is my favorite. I love my room.
but I really like my living room because I feel in living room very comfortable.
Okay. Which is your favorite country?
My favorite country is New Zealand
Why?
because New Zealand is very greenery city
Country.
country and my lots of relative in already settled in New
New Zealand.
Zealand.
Very good. Okay.
That's why I
Like,
like this. And
okay. What is your dream?
my dream is go New Zealand and settle in some years.
Okay. What is your favorite dish and why?
My favorite dish is fry paneer
Why?
because I love paneer. That's why I like fry paneer.
This is a good attempt as this is your first time. You will surely improve. It's a good attempt, very good attempt.
Thank you, Rajesh.